right, good morning, everybody. Today is going to be Friday, March 11th, 2022. All right, good morning, everybody. Today is going to be Friday. Once again, remember that this presentation here is for demonstrational and informational purposes only. And what we're going to be trading this morning, we're going to be looking at the indices. We're going to be looking at, and I'll give you those symbols for those that haven't been with us. Okay, we'll be trading the ES, which is the US 500, also known as the E-mini. We'll be looking at RTY, which is your US small cap. We'll be looking at YM, which is your Wall Street 30. NQ, US Tech, and of course GC Gold, SI Silver, CL Crude, NG Natural Gas, and BTC Bitcoin. Once again, do not attempt to make any of these trades. This feed is not live. There is a delay on broadcasting over to YouTube and Facebook. So this is only for educational purposes. So do not attempt to make these trades. You must have a live feed in order to do that. Members do have a live feed. This is going to them live. But as it's being broadcast through other media, there is a delay. So do not attempt to take these trades. So we'll be looking at, I'll be giving price projections. Basically, they are going to be profit targets on the indices and the commodities. And then on the on Forex, we're going to be looking at some core setups. Now, the core setups, they are patterns that I do teach in our core package. So we'll be looking at those as well. All right, so we have a little bit of everything for everybody. And I am just looking for a nice little setup in here. We may be getting a short coming up. Let me take a look at this short, possible short on the Euro US. Nope, no short yet on the Euro US. So once again, everything that we do here is different, okay? We do not use indicators. These are patterns that I discovered over 30 years ago. They're called behavioral patterns. I've used them ever since. They're somewhat superior to indicators. My belief is that indicators do not work. I have not seen an indicator that has ever stood the test of time without having to change its parameters, and even that, it won't hold up. Not only will it not hold up in a particular indice or the instrument you're trading it in, it is not universal, which means whatever that indicator is in those parameters, you have it make set for gold, but it's not going to work on your US 500. It's not going to work on a Forex pair. All of my patterns are universal, so it doesn't matter whether you're trading a 5-minute, you're trading a daily, trading an hourly. Every pattern is effective in everything that you trade. So the same pattern that I use, say, in the US 500 will be just as effective if I was using it in the US yen or silver or gold or pork bellies or a stock. It doesn't really matter. So this is a whole new way of trading. Nobody teaches this. This is absolutely a unique approach. This has nothing to do with your traditional candlesticks patterns. This has nothing to do with support and resistance. This has nothing to do with Fibonacci. This has nothing to do with your standard chart patterns like channels, wedges, flags, those types of things. Obviously, absolutely no indicators. And the advantage over that is we are definitely using something that gives us a huge advantage over 99% of everybody else, because everybody else is trying to use other, what I'd call more readily available indicators, and unfortunately they do not work. And I go into that a lot more in my videos. So if you go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com, or you can go to YouTube, binaryprostrategies.com. There's a lot of educational videos out there. You can watch those educational videos. So anyway, just waiting for our first setup here this morning. I'm watching the indices. I don't see anything here. I don't see anything on gold and silver. Keeping an eye on the Aussie US. May have a potential sell coming up here in a few minutes. So to my students, good morning, students. Those on YouTube and Facebook, welcome. Yeah, I'm actually getting a buy on the gold now. We're getting a buy on gold. And I will give you that target here in just a minute. All right. We're going to project a high up on this gold. My profit target is going to be, let's see here, 1975. Going to look to hit 1975. That is going to be my profit objective. That's where I'm going to exit this long position. And 1966 is where I'm going to reverse and go short. If I need to reverse and go short, meaning if I don't hit target, I will reverse and go short at 1966.
Reverse sell.
Okay, I am going to reverse on this gold and go short. Target on gold now on the short side is going to be, let's see here. Target on gold is going to be 1963. Going to try to hit 1963 for a target. And this time, if I don't hit target, I'm going to reverse at 1972. Once again, these are for informational and demonstrational purposes only. There's more to my approach than just buying and selling. So in order to understand how to filter out some of these trades, you must understand my approach to trading, understand all the patterns, understand how we filter out trades, and that is available through our core package. We also have a trial that you can try as well. You don't get all the information, but you will get these arrows and a little explanation on how to trade them. And as always, never trade live until you can be profitable in a simulated account, or what they call a demo account. So practice, practice, practice. If you can't make money in a simulator, you're not going to make money live. So do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. Most traders, of course, do lose money. The difference between a successful trader and a non-successful trader is not only the tools. You must have a reliable tool, which these patterns are. They must hold up over a long period of time. I have literally hundreds of thousands of setups that continue to be profitable, continue to hold a high winning ratio. But also you must put in a lot of screen time. You must understand how these markets work, the interrelationship between the different instruments. And without screen time and without study, you cannot be successful. So this is like any other profession. If you want to be a professional, you got to put in the hours to do it. So trading is never as easy as a lot of people want you to believe. You still have to put in the effort. If you want to put in the effort, it's a great, great career. Offers a lot of freedom. Your income is based completely off of you and your skills. All right, still holding this gold short. I don't see anything on the indices at this point. Don't see anything on silver. And we've got about another 16 minutes to go before the Dow opens. That's typically when we start to see a lot of action here on these indices. But we can have some really nice pre-action trades, so we do like to watch that before the opening, pre-opening. All right, let's see here. Looks like we do have a core set up over here going on the Aussie US. That's going to put us up to a 37.27 short, waiting on premium. Do have a short also on the Euro US. I'm going to go ahead and take the Euro US. That's closer. That's going to be a 09.95. Taking a short on that Euro US for a first trade. 09.95. Premium sitting in the 30s. So we are short down over here on the Euro US. This is we are trading a 5. This is a 5-minute time frame, so we're only looking to hold this for 5 minutes, no longer. Okay, just hanging short on the Euro US. Very good premium, still now in the 40s now. Once again, we do not get out early. We do not need to use any stops. We will carry this expiration. We do want to capture maximum premium. If you're trading the outright, if you're trading an outright spot from Forex, the approach is going to be a little bit different, but the patterns are still the same. They still are effective. Still short gold. Target of 1963 on that gold. Looks like that Euro US gave you an opportunity to get in again if you didn't get in, and or add to your position. I got about 50, about 50, excuse me, now about 10 seconds to go on this Euro US. Just holding short on this 09.95. It's at 09.94. That is going to be a winning trade on that first trade on the Euro US. Okay, it does look like the Dow wants to open up higher this morning. May help our gold position here. We are short the gold right now. We've got a little chopped up this morning. We were long and now we're short. Be careful on gold. It could be a little choppy this morning. And we have nothing on the indices. Nothing on silver. Nothing on Bitcoin. Had our first trade of the day on the Euro US. Also had one on the Aussie. Couldn't get premium, but that was a winning trade. Did have a winning trade on the Euro US. Also getting another short on the Euro US. That would have been a 97 short on the Euro US. And we did come up to 96.2. There was some premium up there. Did not take that Euro US, but that was also another nice little pattern short. Actually, really strong pattern short. That would be a core setup, one of the core patterns that we teach in the core package. Be careful on gold. Gold looks like now it wants to reverse again. Silver's getting close to a buy. Reversed buy. Okay, gold just reversed, went long. Silver just went long. Okay, that's going to put me up to a target on gold this morning of 1975, 1975. And if we need to reverse on the gold, it's going to bring us down to 1966, 1966. Target on silver is going to bring us up to, let's see here, 26.15 and a half, 26.15 and a half. Reversal silver, if we don't hit target, it's going to be 25.78, 25.78, actually 25.70 and a half. Long gold now, long silver. Now it's going to open here in just a few minutes. Still looks like it's going to be a higher opening on the Dow this morning. Once again, if you're watching us on YouTube or Facebook, please read and understand our disclaimer. Our services are for informational, educational, and demonstrational purposes only. Do not attempt to trade. Based on these setups, you will lose money. There is a delay here on the feed. You must have a live feed if you want to trade, and there's more to it than just buying and selling based on a particular pattern. You have to understand how to filter out these patterns. Once again, everything we do is unique. These are patterns I discovered over 30 years ago, and they continue to be effective today, whether I'm trading a stock, trading a commodity, or trading a forex pair. All right, Dow should open here any minute. All right, Dow's now open. Dow's up 179, 178. Still long gold, still long silver. Had a few first trades of the day on the forex pairs. And now we're just hanging tight here with these long positions. Long gold, long silver. Keep my eye on RTY, potential buy on RTY. If you're not familiar with the symbols, here are the symbols. RTY is going to be our U.S. small cap, which is the Russell. Still on gold, still on silver. Still nothing on RTY. Also watching ES, which is your US 500. Or your E-mini. They're all the same. Still long gold, still long silver. Watching RTY for potential buy on RTY. Still long gold, still long silver. Getting ready to go along RTY. Still long gold, still long silver.
Profit target hit.
Profit target hit on gold, exiting gold. Still long silver, looking for a buy on RTY. If you'd like to learn a little bit more how I come up with these price levels, I do have a video called Predicting Price Levels with the Einstein Formula. This is a formula that I learned over 30 years ago. It is not publicly available and it is not for sale, but I do provide it to all my students as an add-on to our live room. But anyway, to get a little bit better understanding of the formula and how I use it for trading, watch my video, Predicting Price Levels with the Einstein Formula. Find it on YouTube under the educational videos. Just long silver right now, looking for a buy on RTY. Okay, buy an RTY. I'm now long RTY. Take an RTY for a buy. All right, let's get a price level up here. Price level in RTY is going to bring me up to 2029. That is my objective, 2029. RTY is one of our favorite. 2029 objective. And if I need to reverse, if I don't hit target, I will reverse at 2014, 2014. Still long RTY with a target 2029, would reverse at 2014. Still long silver. So once again, the first hour of this broadcast does run from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern Time. After that, it will continue with our within our live chat room for our subscribers. To learn more about my strategies, go to binaryprostrategies.com. Also, plenty of YouTubes available on my YouTube channel, binaryprostrategies.com. Still long silver, still long RTY. Dow still holding up at 222. Once again, if you're following us on YouTube or Facebook, do not attempt to make these trades. That broadcast is a delay. You must have a live feed in order to trade. And of course, you must understand our full strategies before attempting any type of, taking any type of position. And as always trade with a simulator before you go live. If you can't make money in a simulator, then you're not going to be able to make money in a live account. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. And everything here that you're seeing is we're only broadcasting so you can see the power and effectiveness of my setup patterns. And also keep in mind that you must always, always, always trade with money you can afford to lose. Trading is risky, and it does take time. It does take practice. Like any other profession, if you want to get good at it, you must put in the time to learn it. There's more to trading than just in a buy and sell signal. You have to understand everything about the markets. There's more ways to filter out trades, plus the interrelationship between the different instruments is so important. All of that I do teach in the core package. Also, my chat rooms are open more than and longer than any other service available. We're open in the morning, we're open in the evening, so plenty of time to have access to my charts and the practice, not only practice your setups and with myself as well as other students. And that's what it takes if you want to be successful. Must practice. Put in the time to learn it. It's a very rewarding career. But like anything else that's rewarding, it does take effort. Right? It does take effort. All right, still long RTY, still long silver. Silver's on its way to target. All right, where'd my lines go? What happened to my levels? Yeah, let me redraw those levels again. I don't know what happened to my levels on RTY. Anyway, we're still looking for a target on RTY to hit us. We're looking at 2029. Did have them up there. For some reason, they went away. 2029 is our target. There we go. All right, still on gold. I'm sorry, still on silver, still on RTY. Looking for a target on RTY would be 2029. That's where I'd exit my position. Watching for a potential buy on ES, US 500. Watching ES for a potential buy. Dow's up 314 and really strong on the Dow. Should pull up the ES, should pull up our RTY. Still green on silver. Going green on RTY.
Profit target hit.
All right, profit target hit. Let's see. That was not in silver. That was not in. Oh, that's. Let's take a look here. Nope, still long silver, still long RTY.
Profit target hit. Profit target hit.
Still long gold, still long silver. I'm sorry, still long silver, still long RTY. Silver is approaching target of 26.15 and a half. Still long RTY. about another 8 minutes to go on this live broadcast, and then we will switch over to just our paid subscribers. For all our members, just stay tuned, stay on. We will continue on. All right, still long RTY, still long silver. I will reverse on RTY at 2014. Silver's approaching target. Getting ready to go short on RTY. I will reverse and go short at 2014.
Reverse sell.
Just went short on RTY at 2014. Okay, that's going to bring me down to a new target. New target's going to be 2009. And if I need to reverse and go long, it's going to be 2024. Added to my short position, short RTY. Still long silver. For those that are trading YM, YM is getting a short. YM is your Wall Street 30. Target on YM is going to bring you down to 332.13. And if you need the reverse, it's going to bring us up to 333.63. Okay, still short RTY, still short YM. Did add to my short position on RTY. Still long silver, and that's going to be it. It's 9 o'clock, so we're going to go ahead and end the live broadcast, but we will continue on for our subscribers, so stay tuned. If you'd like to learn more about my strategies, go to binaryprostrategies.com. Please join me on Facebook every morning, Monday through Friday. First hour is free to everybody. Also, if you go to my YouTube channel, there's plenty of educational videos there. That's going to be it. Hope everybody have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday.
Profit target hit.
And we just hit profit target.